Hi and welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to prolong your Samsung phone's battery. Keeping your battery at a full 100% charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. To save phone battery, Samsung implemented in One UI 6 feature called battery protection. First time it was released only with one option, to set battery full charge to 85%. Now in the latest version 6.1, Samsung added 3 options to make it more user-friendly. Let's check these new options. Go to System Settings, scroll down, Device Care, Battery, Battery Protection, turn on, and here you can see 3 options. First is Basic. When your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level will drop down to 95%. Then charging will start again. Adaptive. It will use maximum option while you are asleep and switch to basic before you wake up. Sleep time is estimated based on your phone usage. And maximum, your battery will stop charge when it reaches 80%. I would recommend adaptive. This means it will charge your battery during your sleep to 80%, and when you charge it during the day, it will charge to 95%. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.